Hello everyone, welcome to Ajayastro Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. In today's video, we will be discussing the recent trends in the small cardamom market, coriander prices in Gujarat, and the recovery of domestic pepper prices. Let's start with small cardamom. Small cardamom prices have been on a downward trend due to weak demand. Heavy rains in key consumption centers have disrupted market dynamics, leading to sluggish trading activity. Additionally, the absence of significant inquiries from exporters has further contributed to the decline in prices. However, with India's proximity to the Middle East, we can expect an increase in export demand, especially considering the rising cost of freight. Recent weather conditions have worsened the situation. Major pepper-growing regions of Kerala and Karnataka have experienced heavy rains and landslides, particularly in Wayanad. While the exact extent of crop damage will be known after the rains subside, these adverse conditions could potentially support prices by reducing supply. The average price per kilogram of small cardamom has dropped to 2,179 Indian rupees to 2,245 from the previous range of 2,267 Indian rupees to 2,278. The maximum price per kilogram has slightly increased from 2,740 Indian rupees to 2,790 Indian rupees. This price decline has been observed over the past 15 to 18 sessions due to persistent lack of demand. Despite the drop in prices, arrivals have increased from 23,413 kilograms to 68,060 kilograms, maintaining levels above 50,000 kilograms after dipping below this threshold the previous week. The offtake was recorded at 63,306 kilograms, an increase of 22,328 kilograms compared to the previous session, where only one auction was held. However, the sluggish buying activity led to a decrease in the offtake rate to 93% from 95.4%. Grade-specific rates have remained steady in the recent trading sessions. Prices per kilogram for 7 mm grades range from 2,080 Indian rupees to 2,160 Indian rupees, for 7 to 8 mm grades from 2,280 Indian rupees to 2,360 Indian rupees, and for 8 mm and above grades from 2,480 Indian rupees to 2,660 Indian rupees. Looking ahead, cardamom prices are expected to remain range-bound with a negative bias due to the current weak demand. However, the potential crop damage caused by excessive rains in Kerala could partially support prices by limiting supply. Coriander prices stable in Gujarat amidst steady arrivals. Moving on to coriander arrivals in Gujarat remain steady, with around 5,000 bags entering the market today. Prices held stable, indicating a balance between supply and demand. Traders highlighted that the majority of the coriander arriving is from old stocks, as stockists and farmers still have significant reserves from previous harvests. Normally, around 2,000 to 2,500 bags arrive at this time of year, but the availability of these old stocks has increased the current supply levels. The export business for coriander has been sluggish, contributing to the stable prices observed today, as there was no notable local demand. The future movements in the market are expected to be influenced largely by the demand during the upcoming festive season. In specific market details, Gondal Mandi saw the arrival of 3,500 bags, with 2,200 bags traded at prices ranging from 1,331 Indian rupees to 1,501 Indian rupees per 20 kg. In Rajkot Mandi, 550 bags arrived, and trades occurred at prices between 1,000 Indian rupees and 1,511 Indian rupees per 20 kg. Other notable arrivals included 250 bags in Junagadh Mandi, 180 bags in Jaitpur Mandi, and 200 bags in Jamjodhpur Mandi. Additionally, smaller mandis reported around 500 bags in total. The dhania contract for August delivery settled at 7,232 rupees per quintal, showing a rise of 16 rupees over the previous close of 7,216 rupees per quintal. The contract moved in the range of 7,112 rupees to 7,238 for the day. Open interest decreased by minus 2,090 metric ton to 21,235 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by minus 110 to 2,860 metric ton. The Dhania contract for September delivery settled at 7,328 rupees per quintal, showing a rise of 14 rupees over the previous close of 7,314 rupees per quintal. The contract moved in the range of 7,260 rupees to 7,330 for the day. Open interest increased by 2,100 metric ton to 10,630 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by minus 80 to 2,525 metric ton. Currently, the spread between the August and September contracts is minus 96 rupees per quintal. The Dhania stock in NCDEX accredited warehouses as of the 30th of July 2024 was 16,106 metric ton. Domestic pepper prices recover amid limited global supply. Lastly, let's discuss pepper prices. Pepper prices in major domestic markets have recovered by 200 rupees per quintal following increased demand. This uptick comes after a period of steady decline. Market sources attribute the price support to limited global supply and the anticipation of the next harvest, which is still 5 months away. In Kochi, garbled pepper is priced at 67,000 rupees per quintal, while ungarbled pepper is at 65,000 rupees. In Karnataka, prices range from 65,000 rupees to 67,200 rupees per quintal. The region's weather conditions have been challenging, with heavy rainfall and landslides reported in major pepper-growing areas of Kerala and Karnataka. The exact extent of the damage to crops due to these conditions will be assessed once the rains subside. Wayanad, in particular, has reported extensive damage from heavy rains. Globally, pepper prices in Vietnam are expected to remain stable, ranging between 149,000 Vietnamese dongs and 150,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. Prices have stayed within a broader range over the past month due to subdued export demand. With the supply pipeline nearly empty, further declines from current levels are unlikely. Global prices remain stable across origins, except in Indonesia and Brazil, where prices have seen moderate trading. As the supply situation is reported to be significantly lower, prices are anticipated to rise as demand picks up in mid-August. Here are the domestic pepper prices in INR per quintal. Kochi, ungarbled, 65,000. Kochi, garbled, 67,000. Kushalnagar, 65,000 to 67,200. Chikamagalur, 65,000 to 67,200. FOB codes for black pepper in USD per metric ton are: Brazil Asta, 6,850. Vietnam 500 GL, 6,000. Vietnam 550 GL, 6,600. Indonesia Asta, 7,138. Malaysia, 7,500 ringgit per metric ton. That's all for today's update. Thank you for tuning into Ajaysthromanee Guru. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on the commodities market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news and insights.